Are you trying to decide between LangChain and Llama Index? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two powerful tools and help you choose the right one for your needs. Both LangChain and Llama Index are designed to make working with language models easier. They help developers build applications that can understand and generate human like text. But how do they differ? Let's start with LangChain. It's a framework that helps you create applications using language models. LangChain offers flexibility and supports various integrations. You can connect it to different data sources and customize it to fit your project. This makes it great for complex applications. Now, let's talk about Llama Index. This tool focuses on indexing and searching through large amounts of text. It allows you to quickly find information within your documents. Llama Index is user friendly and can be set up easily. It's perfect for projects where fast search capabilities are a priority. So, what are the key differences? LangChain is more about building applications with language models, while Llama Index specializes in searching and indexing. If you need to create a complex app, LangChain is the way to go. But if you just need to find information quickly, Llama Index is your best bet. When it comes to features, LangChain has a wide range of integrations and customization options. Llama Index shines with its search functionality and ease of use. Both tools have their strengths depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, both offer flexible options. You may find free plans or tiered pricing based on usage. It's best to check their websites for details. In the end, if you want to build a robust application, choose LangChain. If quick and efficient searching is your goal, go for Llama Index. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.